Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to compare UK junk silver versus US junk silver and which one I think is the best one to stack. So before we go any further, I don't like the term junk silver. I'm not sure where that term's come from. There's nothing junk about this. This is only going up in value long term. Fiat currency should be called junk because that's actually going down in value long term. So I'm not a big fan of calling it junk silver. You can call it whatever you want, constitutional silver, old-fashioned coinage, whatever other term you like, but junk silver just does not sit well with me because you can't have junk and silver in the same sentence, in my opinion. So in terms of stacking, personally, because I'm from the UK coinage, old coinage makes sense to me just because I can get it closer to spot. Now, I actually prefer the designs of the US constitutional silver. I like the walk-in Liberty design. Looks very much like a silver eagle because you've got the American eagle on the back, then you've got the walk-in Liberty on the front. So I much more prefer the look of the US constitutional silver. However, this just makes more sense for me to stack because I'm from the UK. I can get it a lot closer to spot. But it all boils down to prices for me, really, when I'm stacking this kind of silver. If I see a better deal on the US, I'll buy that. If I see a better deal on the UK, I'll buy that. As long as I'm adding silver to the stack, I'm not too fussed. As long as I can get it as close to spot as possible, then I'm a happy man. So before we go any further, you might have spotted I've got a new pair of gloves on with a little bit of hair on there already. Now, a lot of people message me about these gloves and they ask where I got them from and they say they like them, but I wouldn't recommend using black gloves for unboxing videos and silver videos in general because they seem to grab hold of the hairs and they show up the bits of fluff a lot more than the white gloves. The only reason I like them is because it looks good against the red backgrounds, but they're not actually any different from the white gloves. You just go on eBay and you search black cotton gloves, they come up really easy. But yeah, I'm not a massive fan. Like I said, if it wasn't for this red background, them looking so good against it, I would prefer the white ones. So yeah, that's why I wear the black gloves. These are the older ones that I'm going to throw away now that I've replaced. That they're falling apart and they've got bits of elastic hanging out. Someone actually said in one of the comments it looked like I've been changing my loft insulation in them because they've all got all bits attached to them. So yeah, you do have to replace them quite a lot. I've only been doing this channel for just over a month now and already these ones have had it. So, but yeah, we're getting off topic. So let me know in the comment section what you prefer to stack, whether you prefer to stack US constitutional or the UK version, or whether you're the same as me and you will basically buy whatever you can get close to spot. It really doesn't bother you. Doesn't matter if it's 40% silver, 90% silver, whatever percentage the silver content is. It really doesn't matter as long as you're picking out for as close to spot as possible. So as always, thank you very much for watching my videos. Again, I wanted to say thank you very much for 400 subscribers also. I did a post the other day saying thank you to everyone, but I haven't had a chance to do an actual separate video to say thank you very much. So I really, really appreciate all the support. You might have seen my other post I put up today. I've actually ordered some silver poured backyard bullion bars and they say 365 days of silver on them. They're currently away for hallmarking. Once I get them in my possession, I'm going to do a couple of giveaways. I plan to give one away when I hit 500 subscribers. And I'm going to give the other one away when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So as always, thank you very much for watching my videos and I hope you have a nice day.